Hi, you should have received a cable in the mail from Sheldy. Either a 32-inch long cable or one with 9 chain links attached to one end, depending on your model. We need you to switch this out, and here are instructions on how to do so. You will need either 7/16 sockets, wrenches, or pliers to remove this bolt from the pulley wheel. We'll start out by removing the bolt from the pulley wheel. When we do so, the pulley wheel comes loose and the pulley wheel housing is now loose, so when you reassemble, make sure to line those holes up. We're going to disconnect from the spring clip just by pushing down on the latch, removing, clipping the new cable in, or clipping the chain links in. We want to make sure the chain links go toward the winch and the open end of the cable goes toward the net. We then bring it through this pulley wheel housing, align the wheel hole with the holes and everything else, push the bolt through, and then it's a simple retightening. When you retighten, make certain that you tighten enough that there is no gap on the sides of the pulley wheel for the cable to slip, but you also don't want it so tight that the pulley wheel will not rotate. That should be it.